In this video, we will talk about how to set up Ledger wallet with Metamask official tutorial. So first, what you need to do is get your Ledger ready to connect with Metamask. Metamask is a user-friendly wallet for Ethereum and other EVM chains, but since it runs online, it can be exposed to risks. By pairing it with Ledger, you gain an extra layer of security as every transaction must be approved on your device. Never import an old Metamask seed phrase into Ledger as it's already been online. Instead, create fresh accounts. Open Ledger Live, go to My Ledger, connect your device via Bluetooth, unlock it, and update firmware if asked. Now set up your Ethereum wallet by tapping Ethereum, then Receive. This will link with your Ledger app and display an address. Verify the address matches on both your phone and device, then confirm. Next, open Metamask. Go to the menu, tap your wallet name, select Add Account or Hardware Wallet, choose Ledger, and connect via Bluetooth. Approve the connection and pick the Ethereum account you created. Import it into Metamask and now you'll see it listed as connected to your Ledger. From this point, your Ledger will handle approvals for all actions, whether sending ETH, buying NFTs, or using dApps, keeping your assets secure. That covers the full setup process. Thanks for watching.